Nick, have you ever wanted to start something new?
Yes, many times.
Like what?
Learning something, changing habits, even speaking English more.
What stops you?
Fear. I'm afraid I won't be good enough.
That's very human.
It feels easier to stay comfortable.
Yes, but growth doesn't happen in comfort.
That's true.
Starting something new is always uncomfortable at first,
Even for confident people?
especially for them. They just move forward anyway.
So courage isn't the absence of fear.
No, it's action despite fear.
I like that idea.
You don't have to change everything at once.
Just small steps?
Exactly, small steps every day.
That feels more possible.
Starting is hard, continuing is easier.
Maybe I should start today.
Why not?
Okay, I will.
Subscribe and like, and let English flow.